Hello everyone, back again with me. So let me introduce myself. My name is Putusri Satya Maharani, and my student number is 2212021022, and I'm from class 4A. Hopefully, you are all in good health. In this video, I will explain the result of research background and review literature by me. The first one, I will explain about research background and the topic, the effectiveness using Kahoot throughout vocabulary in learning media. You can see on the slide, chapter 1, introduction. The topic is the effectiveness using Kahoot throughout vocabulary in learning media. And the research background from the topic, the rapid development of technology today can no longer be denied. Its specification has given to many positive impact and influence on everyone. However, there are still many people who do not make good use of this um, sophisticated technology, and the image of negative influence is very clear. In English is an international language that is popular in the world, especially for students learning English can be learned when children enter elementary school. One of the lessons at school, the component in English is not only learning vocabulary but also having in a master speaking, critical thinking, writing and listening skill. And then the example is flashback to the COVID-19 pandemic, where this was a difficult time faced by everyone in the world. Many factors result in the implementation of the approach to do activity at home for the sake of health and safety at the time, and to minimize the spread of the virus, which was first discovered in Wuhan, China. The impact that occurs due to this virus is not only in terms of the economic and tourism sector, but schools are also affected by the priority of this virus. One of the activity that help students when they have to study online from home is application via technology, as Zoom meeting, Google Classroom, quizzes, Padlet, and other. Nowadays, the technological advances are very helpful and provide positive roles among students with individual ability, and which the expansion of the globalization process. According to Bichens, and technology is a very important in education in this pandemic, because face-to-face learning is impossible. Many schools are implementing online class one way so that students do not feel when asking online class is to use learning media that are fun for students, um, enthusiasm and motivation to learn in online course. This is the way to apply technology for students. For example, teacher can use digital media and fun games that attract students' interest and can teach students about technology. Of course, technology is a very important. It used well and positively for students and teacher and giving students fun games when study can create as interesting classrooms atmosphere. And next, Kahoot is an online game that can be used to train students' vocabulary by using special materials to access students' understanding of their vocabulary skill. Kahoot has an important role in inspiring students to learn vocabulary, making it more interesting and easy to understand. According the Chirans Manan explains that a technique that is relevant to use is the Kahoot games, which make students have to a fun learning. And the next result is problem identification. All form of educational activity during the COVID-19 pandemic were were abide to online learning or from the internet, considering that students had to study at home. The term learning from home can be known access a learning, which means learning by utilizing the internet, the IT, and various form of electronic media. The combines overall individual and group education. However, several obstacles can occur during online learning, such as internet connection problems, head signal, internet coach, media access, and different teaching strategies. And next, research scope and limitation. The research only focus on the uh, readers of students and teacher in implementing online English vocabulary learning in the Kahoot application in a pandemic situation and learning from home. And next, the result research question. From the research background, the research question determined are uh, two the two research research question. The first one, how are teacher and students prepared to use Kahoot to increase vocabulary as a medium for learning from home during the pandemic? And the second one, what is the teacher's perspective on Kahoot learning media in increasing vocabulary as a learning process? And next, research objective. Uh, I have two research objective from the topic. The first one, general objective. Research investigate the reasons of teacher to use Kahoot as an online learning media. And the first one, specific objective. I have two specific objective. This research is purpose for the first one, uh, measuring the readiness of teacher and students when learning from home or online in learning English through vocabulary in the Kahoot learning media. And the second one mentioned the improvement that must be made by students, teacher, and school staff in using Kahoot online learning media. And the last one for the result is research significant. Uh, I have I have I have to research significant, and I will explain I will explain one by one. I'm sorry. The first one, theoretical significance. It is hoped that this research can contribute readiness through Kahoot media in English language learning during the pandemic. The situation for English teachers, researchers, students, and even uh, makers regarding education. And the second one, practical significance. In the practical significance of this study are as follows. Uh, Three, the first one for readers, it is hoped that this research can provide readers with new insight and knowledge about readiness for distance learning through English learning using Kahoot learning media in a pandemic situation. For the teacher, research hope that this research provide teacher with new information about readiness to use English learning media in a pandemic situation. And the last one for students. Students are expect to gain new insight and knowledge regarding readiness to use English learning media in a pandemic situation. I think that's all from me of the result, the research background. And next, I will explain the literature review of the topic. Pick. All right, this is the literature review literature review metric on this topic from me. The effectiveness using Kahoot vocabulary in learning media. Uh, I have I have 12 article in the literature review metric. You can see on this slide. Uh, First one, Martin Flores Quendros, Melinda Kusumaningrum, Muhammad Abdul Al Manar, Antika Mega Mawarni, Nunung Susilo Putri, Ananda Dini Anggreni, Jenny Elvina Manurung, Damar Istri Pratiwi, and Isnaniah Nur Hasnah, Ayu Suraya, Pandu Prasojo, and the last one Hadjah Bang Widi Pratolo. And then this is problem formulation in literature review metric by me, and this is the reference of the article in the literature review metrics from me. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Uh, sorry if are any mistake. Thank you and see you everyone.